Wow, I really thought that said Cheek City. Oh, my mind's messed up. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I just finished my breakfast here at Baby Stacks, and my goodness, the strawberry shortcake Baby Stacks pancakes was fire. I've always had the regular buttermilk pancake. I've never had any like different style, different topping pancakes before, but this place, so many different varieties. Thanks to the waitress, she recommended the strawberry shortcake because it was her favorite. She was pretty cute. But anyways, right now I'm gonna head back to the pad, and I'm not entirely sure what I'm getting into today. I wanted to catch up with editing videos and stuff for the week coming up. Nisa spoke to me yesterday about some upcoming like meet or shows, and they're wondering if I'm willing to stay a little bit longer to attend them. So I was like, you know, I got a working laptop, even though I want to buy a new one. I can edit my vlogs from Florida and have videos for this week and actually enjoy a little bit more time here in Vegas before I head back home. And then when I get back home, obviously I'll have the videos to edit for when I'm here in Vegas, which will kind of put me on track, if not ahead. So today I'm gonna spend a little time on editing, but in this video, I'm gonna go in the garage. I'm gonna show you Nisa's car. A lot of you guys may have seen this car break the internet. A lot of you guys probably know the car, or even known the car before when it was here in the state. But I'm gonna do a walk around on Nisa's N1 CTR. So right now I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven, grab a few things. I'm gonna head back to the pad, do a little editing, and I'll find some time in a few to pop the garage open and show you Nisa's whip. So guys, did a little bit of editing today. Got about 2 videos done, and I was able to find some time with Nisa and Jeremy to bring out Nisa's N1 CTR. So I want to quickly say I have not seen this car since it was in Cali, which is about, how long ago was this car shipped out, Jeremy?
From where to where?
From Cali to Hawaii.
The end of 2017, like the beginning of 2018.
So beginning of 2018 to now 2022, that's how long I have not seen this car. And it was B series.
It had no engine the last time you saw it, but before that it was B series.
Yes, so this car literally was not how it is right now at the last time I saw it, and I've only seen this on the Instagram. I'll definitely plug Nisa's Instagram down below if you guys want to see more of this car. But the last time I saw it, it had a B series in it. It had no engine when it left, and obviously you guys see here, it is definitely a whole different setup and more to it. And when I say more to it, I'm talking about the attention to details. I'm talking about everything that was here from factory has been taken out and has been revamped. I'm literally telling you guys that every bolt, every wire in this car has been completely redone. Very, very beautiful. So just want to tell you guys really quickly that this is a very, very true Civic Type R N1 Spec. If you guys don't know the N1 Spec, it is like a race addition to the CTR. Does have like a lot of the base model stuff like manual windows and different interior seats, no recaros, things like that. If you guys want to see more about it, Google is your best friend. But simply, I just want to give you guys a quick little, I guess, my reaction to seeing the car for the first time in a long while. And picture does not do this car justice. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. So again, this car belongs to Nisa. Nisa is Jeremy's wife, and Jeremy is a great friend of mine, but also is my tuner. The car speaks for itself. I'm not gonna go too in depth of everything going on with this car. This thing has a ton of beautiful parts inside and out, carbon, bride. It's got, you know, rays. The thing that really catches my eye the most is the engine bay. It's got lean mounts, a lot of custom products, Hasport, DTR, Drag Cartel, 4 piston head, drag curtail 4 cams, the block 14-1 compression, Type S trans, 4.7 final. This thing makes well over 300 horsepower, and it's got a lot more room, but right now 300 plenty for the street. And I don't know, man, this thing is, it's mind-blowing, the attention to details. It's crazy. You can literally eat off this engine bay, off this engine itself, and it's definitely a mind-blowing car after not seeing it for so long. It's got an AM dash, Infinity ECU. I'm literally telling you guys, it's so freaking pristine in here. It's crazy. Nisa, what's going on here? What's going on here?
What?
Her horn button, what's going on?
Her horn button's coming off. Here, hold on.
Oh. You're gonna have to redo that. Why's your horn button coming off?
No worries, guys, no worries. The paint job in this car is freaking crazy. So this is still the Champ White.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
But it's got House of Color clear coat with different...
It's got ice pearl in it.
Ice pearl.
A purple ice pearl, a blue ice pearl, and like a teal ice pearl.
Right, so it's really bright out right now, guys, and it's really hard to tell with white. Let me see if I can try to get you guys some color going on here. So over here you can kind of see all the blue right there on the reflection, right? And then on this side you can see all the purple. Oh my god, all that purple right there. Beautiful. And I believe in the front you should be able to see the teal. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's all teal right there. Beautiful color, beautiful top clear coat on top of the original CTR Champ White paint job. And the whole entire car has a theme of
Ariel, Little Mermaid.
there you go. And if you guys haven't seen Nisa, I'm gonna show Nisa real quick. You know, okay, cover your face, but let me see your hair. Let me see your hair. Look at this. Look at that. Just like her car. That is true characteristics from owner to the vehicle. So like I said, I'm giving you guys a base rundown of the car, my reaction to the car, but I am definitely going to plug in the Redzone TV. I know a lot of you guys were asking about the Redzone TV and if they were going to be active on it again, which you guys are.
Yeah, we are.
You guys are.
Started filming.
You guys started filming. Just so you guys know, Redzone has relocated to Las Vegas, Nevada. They're no longer in Hawaii, and they are definitely going to revamp the Redzone TV channel, and you're actually going to be posting up a full, like, I guess, documentary rebuild of Ariel, right?
Yeah, so there should be a drop today of a video that Steven did when we were in Hawaii. He did a whole breakdown of the process of the build, kind of like towards the end of the build, and then got some shots of it rolling and running, and kind of like what we did during the build and where it was painted and stuff like that.
The whole assembly of this car to how it is right now. So I don't want to spoil too much. If you guys want to see the in-depth of this car being put together, be sure to head over to Redzone TV and shoot them a subscribe. Stay posted for the video, and a lot more videos to come with that, because we actually already started working in the garage. So
We did.
I am going to end this video right here. Really just want to kick this out for you guys before we get down and busy these next couple of days coming up. So if you guys want to shoot Redzone TV a follow, be sure to do so. If you guys enjoyed this little snippet of Nisa's N1 CTR, be sure to hit the like button. It's nice and it's not hot, but it's really nice out today. So if you guys want to stick around for more shenanigans here with Jeremy and Nisa, the crew here at the Redzone headquarters, Las Vegas, Nevada, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.